welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something different, and this is a new series of my channel. So let me show you what I did today. So I made these doodles, and these are related to stationery. Now I'll talk about this series a little bit. So in this, basically I'm going to show you how to make easy and really cute and quick doodles, and I'm going to pick out a certain theme for each video and make around 30 to 50 doodles in one video and in one page or half a page. So here I have made 30 different doodles of stationery, and I'll be talking about them as I make them. Now I know the intro is already gotten really long, but one last thing, that I'm going to make a bunch of videos on this topic, and I'm starting many other series soon as well. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and have turned on the notification bell, along with liking this video as well. And as you can tell, today's theme is going to be a lovely stationery. And one last thing, I promise this is the last thing, that I know I didn't post last week Wednesday. I actually did film a video, but I halfly edited, but I didn't really like how the way it turned out, so I decided to not upload it. So that was the reason. But I'm here with this cute doodles. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Materials required for this drawing is any sheet of paper. I am using my bullet journal, but you can use even normal sheets of paper, and you will need a black pen. That's it. Just get a paper, get a pen, and get doodling. So our first doodle is going to be the stapler. I know you were expecting something like sketch pens, crayons, that will come, but first I decided to start with something easy, that is the stapler. Then we have eraser, which is just a rounded rectangle, but it's essential obviously. And I have pencils. I don't use pencils a lot in my drawing too. I just draw directly with a pen, but still I use them. Then I'm drawing the highlighters. Actually, some of the drawings I don't remember how the object really looked like, because I don't use highlighters along with this push pin. So I got the real thing to help me out, and I drew them. Then I'm drawing paper clips. It's really easy. We should just draw a spiral, and that's it. Then I'm drawing this pair of scissors. It's actually really huge compared to the other drawings that I made. I like it. Then we have the easiest thing to draw, which is sticky notes. Just a square, and if you want to add something inside, you can add that. And I have notebooks. Obviously we have to maintain notebooks, so why not draw them? Then I have the clipboard. I actually messed up the line, but I fixed it by filling it up. And now I'm just drawing the clasp of the clipboard. Then I have the folder, and then I have the glue stick. It didn't turn out like how I wanted, but it's fine. Then I have the spiral notebook, which has a smiling emoji. Then I drew washi tape. It didn't really turn out really good, but how to draw washi tape actually, so I'm okay with it. Now finally we have the sketch pens. So I drew them like this. You can also make them loose, but I made them in the packet, since I'm not coloring these doodles, but if you want you can also color them. Then I'm drawing the paint brushes. I'm not drawing the rounded paint brushes. You can even draw the rounded ones if you want. And I'm drawing the paint along with the paint brushes. And then actually this turned out like a baby bottle of glue, but I was not expecting it, so I wrote Fevicol on the side of it. Then I'm drawing my planner. This is actually a planner, is the best thing ever. it helps me keep track of so many things. So yeah, I'm really happy that I have one. And then I drew the sharpener. It actually turned out really good. I was not expecting. And then I have the ruler, just a rectangle, and add the details. And finally, not finally, but the thing that I use the most, that is colored pencils in my drawings. I also use them sometimes for schoolwork, but not a lot. And then we can't forget about these. This is the brush pens. I tried to recreate the packaging that they had. I was pretty close, but it didn't turn out really good. But there we have it, the pen lastly. And there we have it. So yeah, that's it. I finished making these drawings and it looks so nice with everything together, and I just love the process. It's really quick to make, and do let me know in the comments if you want more of these videos and some ideas with the themes. It can be themes like related to the kitchen, as I said, stationery, birthdays, anything you want me to do, I'll surely to do, and make sure to leave it in the comments. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.